finding activities without predecessors or successors in Primavera P6. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to identify activities without predecessors or successors in Primavera P6. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Enable the log, go to the Tools menu and select Schedule. In the Schedule window, check the box that says Log to File. This will generate a log that helps you identify issues, including activities missing relationships. Step 2. Generate the schedule log. Now press F9 or click the Schedule button. After scheduling, a log file will be saved automatically. Let's open it to find the information we need. Step 3. Open and review the log file. Locate the log file in your project directory and open it using Notepad. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Activities with no predecessors and Activities with no successors. Here, you'll find a list of activity IDs and names that are missing relationships. It's normal to have the first activity in the project without predecessor and the last without successor. Here we have one more activity that is missing a predecessor. Step 4. Search for these activities in P6. Use the search function to find these activities and add the missing relationships. And that's it. Now you can quickly identify and fix activities without predecessors or successors in Primavera P6, ensuring your schedule logic is complete. Don't forget to subscribe for more project scheduling tips. See you next time.